Harmony in Niamey, a tale of music and dance. Once upon a time, in the vibrant city of Niamey, there lived a young man named Ibrahim. Ibrahim was a skilled musician, known throughout the city for his soulful tunes, played on the traditional Nigerian instrument, the ngurumi. In the vibrant city of Niamey, musician Ibrahim and dancer Fatouma discover their shared passion for art and culture, leading to a blossoming romance celebrated at the Cure Salée festival, where they express their love through music and dance. In the same city, there lived a young woman named Fatouma. Fatouma was a dancer, and her graceful performances to the rhythm of the ngurumi were as famous as Ibrahim's music. The city of Niamey, where art and culture thrive, is alive with the sounds of music and dance. One day, while Ibrahim was playing his ngurumi in the market, he saw a dance that took his breath away. It was a beautiful performance, full of grace and energy. He learned that it was Fatouma, and he decided to meet her. When Ibrahim met Fatouma, he was captivated by her talent and grace. Fatouma, too, was impressed by Ibrahim's skill and the emotion in his music. They found a shared passion in their arts and a shared love for their city and its culture. As time passed, their admiration for each other's talent turned into affection for each other. They would spend hours talking about their arts, sharing techniques, and exploring the city they both loved. During the annual Cure Salée festival, a traditional event celebrating the culture of the nomadic people of Niger, Ibrahim decided to express his feelings to Fatouma. He composed a beautiful song, full of emotion, and played it for Fatouma on his ngurumi. Fatouma was touched by Ibrahim's gesture. She too had something for Ibrahim, a dance full of grace and emotion, performed to the rhythm of Ibrahim's song. Their gifts were not just tokens of love, but also symbols of their shared respect for each other's art. From that day forward, Ibrahim and Fatouma not only continued to excel in their respective arts, but also built a life together, filled with love and mutual respect, truly embodying the Nigerian spirit of unity and harmony.